Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I will be going through the accounting equation. The only difference is that these two transactions that I have here include VAT. So let's start with the first one, which states that the business bought goods on credit for 3,500. So when you approach this type of question, you must always know that it will have three accounts affected, because normally in our previous transactions we only had two accounts affected. So the first thing that you have to make sure is that you have three accounts affected. So in this transaction, the three accounts affected will be your inventory, because the business bought goods, meaning that the goods of the business will increase. Creditors control, because the business bought on credit, meaning that the credit of the business will also increase. And then we have our third account, which is input VAT. So I'll just give you a quick reminder of what input VAT is. So input VAT is the VAT that the business can claim back from SARS when they buy goods and services from other businesses. So in this transaction, our liabilities will increase by 3,500 and our assets will increase by 2,975, which will be your inventory firstly, and then your input VAT will increase by 525, which is also your asset. And then we'll go on to the second transaction, which says that the business bought good for 5,000. So like in the first transaction, make sure that we identify three accounts. So the three accounts affected in the transaction will be your inventory, because your inventory will increase, your bank account, because your bank will decrease as you're buying goods on cash, as well as your input VAT, because you are buying, as the business, you are buying goods. So all the three accounts that we have identified in the second transaction are all assets. So your first asset, which will be your bank, will decrease by 5,000. Your inventory will increase by 4,250, and your input VAT will increase by 750. So the reason why you don't put the full amount for your inventory is because we use the VAT exclusive amount and not the VAT inclusive amount. But I will compile a video where I will explain VAT inclusive and VAT exclusive. And that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you like my video.